Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for south central Amherst County, north central Campbell County, the city of Lynchburg, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 4 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly, especially in the city of Lynchburg. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lynchburg, Forest, Madison Heights, Bocock, Timberlake. This includes the following streams and drainages: Burton Creek, Harris Creek, Blackwater Creek, Fishing Creek, James River, Dreaming Creek, and Ivy Creek. The following is a heat statement.